December the 26th, 1979. The time, 6 a.m. This is the moment when a dream becomes a reality. And only time now will prove what this reality will mean to the peoples of Southern Africa. This then, from Transkei, for the very first time, is Capital Radio.
Welcome to Capital Radio. We're just one record old, Simon and Garfunkel's classic song of human communication, and that's what we believe Capital Radio is all about, reaching out and touching. But let's not be too solemn, after all, this is a birthday. December the 26th, the most joyous birthday of the year next to Christmas. And Mother and Transmitter are doing fine.